फिर रोबोट बनाया है। मैंने उधर रास्ता पे बस बस बस
Hi, I am Satvik. I am studied in my school, Cambridge School, Noida, in class 2nd. It is my robot truck and it is also fly in the sky. I show it is also I have connect lights. See, it is growing up and down. Thank you. Bye. Bye. Hi, my name is Satyak Gupta. I like robots too much. This is drone. This is IR sensor. This is Bluetooth and this is line follower. I am telling you something about this touch switch. I am touching and the LED is growing. This is 100 ohm resistor. This is 220 ohm resistor. This is 547 NPN transistor. There are 547 transistors. This is battery, positive and negative. They are wires. Okay, bye.
I am W. from GIS school. I am in 5th A, and today I just want to tell you about robots and stuff. So this is the basic about being robots. First, this is the cell. This is the clip. This is the multimeter. This is the LED. This is the breadboard. This is the register. Now, if I want to tell you how to assemble it, it's very easy. You just have to attach the clip to the cell by doing the opposite pitch. So it's like this. Now, if I want to do this, I have to choose a positive and a negative line in the breadboard. So I have chosen this as the negative. Wait a minute. Here's the LED. Now, if I want to tell you, the LED is longer end is the positive one and the